Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today we're going to do a taste test review on macaroni and cheese and stewed tomatoes and asparagus pone cakes. All mixed together.
Pone cake, Johnny cake.
They're also called pone cakes, Johnny cakes,
Cornbread cake.
cornbread cakes. Different people call them different things.
Cornbread crepes.
Cornbread crepes. I mean, it's just everybody calls them different things, and so anyway. But I'm also gonna add my Tabasco on these.
Sorry, folks.
And here's what they look like. Taste test, here we go. Mmm. Guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 10. Mmm.
Go out here and let that dog jump all over me and tear me to pieces.
And also, within the next couple of days here, I'm gonna be putting out a video on the difference on a comparison between mountain oysters and regular meatballs. Several people have been asking what they look like, and so I'm going to be putting out I'm going to be putting out a video on the comparison between the two, and so but and you can but yeah, these pone cakes now, that they're they're real easy to make. All you do is uh you just fry it up like you're gonna fry up pancakes. Just add all your ingredients together and blend it and mix it, and so you can make any type of pone cakes. You can make spaghetti pone cakes. You can make chicken and dumpling pone cakes. You can cowboy beans, sauerkraut wieners. We take a lot of our leftover foods that we have and make pone cakes out of them. So, but because last night for supper we had macaroni and cheese, stewed tomatoes, and asparagus all mixed together. And and it actually turned out pretty good.
Yes, it does.
And so we took the leftover and made these pone cakes out of them. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to get off here and enjoy the rest of my meal. I also want to make a couple of announcements. Everybody, please, for Friday Night Trivia, study up on your sitcoms. It's going to be 70 years.
We're going to try to do 70 years.
We're going to try to do 70 years of sitcoms.
I didn't realize how many there were.
Trivia. And then then I'm going to do a panel talk afterwards. The trivia is going to start at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then after we get done with trivia, then I'm going to do a panel. And then on Sunday, I'm going to try to do my Sunday afternoon live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm also going to hopefully put out some auto mechanic videos here in the next few months actually, on how to do certain things to your vehicle and things, and how to repair it and things. So, also, everybody also tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, come over to Jerry Holly's live stream and have a chit chat and chill. And also at Daydream About Nice Things is supposed to be coming on at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And Grassroots Living does a premiere at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also Johnny's Journey does their live stream tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So everybody, please come and enjoy those and support those channels. So anyway, guys, I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.